Hello and welcome. Ikkura, June 26th. I have a splitting headache.
Oh
I
no.
am hungover. I think it's not from wine, but from what happened to Facebook last night. So let's see whether my hangover is justified.
Is it dehydrating your net value, your net worth?
Net who?
Hello.
Hello.
Let's take a look.
Let's see. But first, my prediction. All right. I was at 7.9 the day before.
Yep.
And previously, I was being overly dramatic. I said something like 6.2.
Yeah.
My calls are still dated pretty far out, at least 20 days. I also have some puts to hopefully offset some pain. Let me predict, 69.
That is an excellent number and not much of a fall. Let's see if you are correct.
Oh, the suspense. Are you ready to press portfolio?
Oh, I don't know, but let's do it anyway.
Oh my goodness, it's loading. it's not loading. Oh
It's
my goodness.
3 minutes.
Oh,
Oh,
ah, hello.
is this really right? Wow. Then it's not that bad.
Do you like my Facebook put right here?
Wow. I forgot that you put such big puts. Wow, this is
Ah,
crazy. That single-handedly, that one put has completely saved your portfolio.
yes, you're right. um, okay, I'll take it.
I think at some point soon you must sell this and then let the calls do their work. I
My,
mean, you have to sell it soon anyway. It's July 2nd.
I think my calls are a bit sleepy. They don't like to do work. They're a bit lazy.
Yeah, how much do you go down on these calls? Because you have like 5 Facebook calls, right?
I have, you can see them
Oh,
right,
more. 7.
7 Facebook calls. I'm about to buy more actually. Fuck it. I'm on tilt right now. It's just tilt.
Well, it completely makes sense to buy long-term Facebook calls right now. Facebook's getting hit the hardest and disproportionate to any other technology company. Of course
Yeah.
you buy. Or you should, I mean, take a little insurance, of course, like you have, but wow, this could be really big long-term moneymaker for you,
The number of
hopefully.
times my puts have saved my butt. I love these damn puts, man. They really, really. Anyway, real quick, what did I do yesterday? I guess no 69 for me.
Sad, not sad.
Sad, not sad. Yeah, I got rid of my space calls, space puts. They barely moved. It was kind of like the this SPY 310 put I sold yesterday. I I guess I could have held it and made a lot more money. What is it now? Oh, not that much. $100 more. 853 was okay. I paid about
Yeah.
$400 for it. I don't know why it doesn't show my average price here, but yeah, I doubled it. Pretty happy with that. And yeah, everything else looks horrible. Isn't it amazing how one you see here one put is outweighs 5 calls?
It's all because of price, right?
Yeah,
Or sorry, it's all because of time.
time. Yes, time, and also 265 is way out. It's like 20% bump now.
Right. Whereas, and the price of Facebook right now is 220.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it went into the money. It went into the money big time.
Geez, 3x in one day.
Yeah.
Whew.
It's the power of a big price move into the money.
Damn. Yeah. Okay. Well, I don't feel half as bad as I did. Oh, I didn't have a hangover. No headache. What are you talking about? Um,
Yeah. Yeah.
but and cash wise, I got a decent amount of cash because I sold that put. Um, I think the real question is, what are we going to do next week? Do you think this is the start of another horrible crash?
This is a really good question. And I think, I mean, I want to say maybe, but I don't know how big that crash will be. There's just still too much money there's still too much money that's been printed. Like if we look at the moving averages and whatnot, I mean, we're still kind of in sync with like some of the longer term moving averages.
Hmm.
Like we're a little bit below the 20 and 50 for SPY, I believe. And so it needs to bounce back up if it's going to be bull market again. If it can't like surge past those moving averages, then it's going to be a bear market for a while.
Yeah.
Like it'll stay depressed. I don't know. I don't know if it's the first sign of a huge drop or not. Like I'm also not so sure. The economy definitely hasn't recovered. You know, tourism hasn't come back. Restaurants still, anything leisure related. So the only bright spot on the economy is the technology sector.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that's still doing well. Everything else is definitely depressed as far as, you know, how much you're earning, your earnings per share, et cetera, how much debt you have on the balance, on the, yeah, on your books right now. It must be really high for every single company. So it's not rosy. But that said, you know, a couple $1 trillion in the market makes inflation happen, and the price is going to continue to go up, I think, for stocks.
Yeah.
So I don't think my personal feeling is we're not going to hit a big dip like we had in March.
Yeah.
Well, this is like a reasonable pullback from the surging prices, and I think it will just surge again. Like maybe it'll go down a bit more, but it's not going to go down to like 220 SPY. Maybe it'll go to 290, 280, and even that feels almost out of reach. I
Yeah.
think from here it goes up. Just my personal feeling right now.
Yeah. Okay. Well, won't spend too much time on this. I know you have a really exciting Saturday, probably. Yeah. We have what, 2 more days?
2 more days.
Okay. We'll have to start making a reservation at a restaurant soon.
Yes. You're maintaining a comfortable lead.
Just look at that Facebook put, man. I have two. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I think anyway, one thing that like I'll just add is that moving forward, maybe we can bring some learnings into the future. Is that I almost never. This is an old option of mine, the SPY 285 July 17. But I think one thing you'll notice is that I almost never buy just one because I
Yeah.
always buy more so that I can take profit and then be greedy by letting it ride out. So maybe that's something we should all think about in the future, like, you know, because that's what this enabled me to do, basically.
Beautiful.
Cool. Lastly, okay, let's end it now.
Yep. Okay, over to me. So I think if you watched yesterday's video, you know that I repositioned into a put around the 304 mark in SPY. When it opened today, I just held on to that put. I didn't feel like I should do anything.
Great.
At the beginning of the day, that was only worth $1. So the put was only worth $1 because we were opening quite high. And then I put in a limit sell for $4.20, and that didn't get fulfilled. So let me just show you my screen. This is SPY yesterday. It opened around 306 and dropped down by the end of the day to 350 cents or so. Actually dipped really briefly right below 300. actually almost a 299.50. 299.50 was the low of the day, huh? 299.44. So I'm a little bit surprised that my put did not sell, because I bought it at 304 for $3.30. And so I thought that as it went down, if it went down yesterday, I went to bed around here. I thought that it would actually sell. And so I'm really surprised that the order wasn't executed, which makes me think that this is actually not worth so much money, and that my portfolio value didn't increase so much. So I'm going to say that my portfolio, my net worth now is like $650.
Hold on, so you left the limit order, then you canceled it?
No, I didn't. It cancels automatically at end of day. It was just a day limit order. And I saw the notification that it didn't get executed, or I didn't see any notification that it got executed.
Oh,
so I assumed that it didn't sell.
Okay.
So in that case, actually, I can't be 650. I must be, let's say, $590. Let's find out. Very close. 583.
Well done.
Nice to see it bump up just a little bit, though. But I'm really curious, like, why this put never went over the $3 or $4.20 mark.
Yeah, price.
And you can see my average cost was $3.30. Yeah. And it never got up there.
Huh.
Oh, never got up to 420. That's really surprising, because I bought it just, say, 2 days before for $3.30, right at the 304 mark. So you can see how quickly that lost value.
Beta, huh?
Yeah. Just timing. So you can see I bought this when June 25th at 9:39 a.m. So this is 25th of June. 9:39 is right in here. Oh, okay. So I actually bought it at this level. So I'm wrong. I bought it when it was quite low. Okay. So that makes more sense that I paid quite a bit for it. So anyway, at least I had a positive day because I kept these puts. Or kept this one put. That is nice. As the day was going along, and as we started, I thought about buying another put right here, but I thought this might be a reversal and that it would shoot back up to around 308. So I was like, you know what? And actually, I almost just sold the put, bought calls at that point as well. And I was just like, no, I'm not doing anything today. I've done the wrong thing so many days in a row. And so I just let it go. I'm glad I did. And that gives me a little bit more of value today. That's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this. This is our Friday. We only have a couple days left of this competition, but we're having a great time. If you are also enjoying this, please remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you on Monday. Bye.